I'm Nate Langston with McMullen Injury Law, and today we're going to look at some crashes from the month of October brought to you by Collision Cam. So let's see some of the crashes that were caught in St. George. All right, this first one looks like we're over on Sunset and Dixie Drive. Oh, okay. Yeah, so we've got a vehicle waiting to turn left. It's a flashing yellow light for the SUV, and they just don't see that motorcycle. That's pretty common. And for the motorcycle, there's not a lot of good options there. You don't know if you're supposed to go left or supposed to go right or what. So luckily he or she was slowing down in time and was able to avoid what could have been much worse, but still went down. All right, let's see what else we got here. Well, this one looks like it's over on the Boulevard and maybe 1000 East by the Wendy's there. Left turner. Ooh, okay. Yep, that white. Oh, and then it just leaves. White truck just didn't see it and just took off and fled the scene. Hopefully they caught him for the property damage there. Hopefully nobody was hurt. Okay, we've got one over by Sunset, North Sunset. Let's see. Oh, good crash. And hard to tell what's going on with the light there. It looks like it was in the process of going from yellow to red for the left turner, trying to get out of the intersection, and just didn't quite get out of the intersection. And the other driver maybe entered on a red too. Have to go back and really watch the frame there to see. But anytime you've got a yellow light, everybody needs to be very cautious so that the driver can clear the intersection and also make sure it's clear before they initiate that turn. All right, so the next one we've got here on Mall Drive and Red Hills Parkway. A lot of crashes at this intersection for some reason that we've seen. All right, so we've got a Jeep waiting to turn left. It's a yellow flash end. Needed to yield for that white car. All right, hopefully not too bad. So this one again, SR9, pretty dangerous because the speeds are so high at these intersections. And here it looks like we have a clear red runner. This truck is just barreling through this intersection. Light had been green for a good amount of time for cross traffic. Traffic from both sides are coming into the intersection, narrowly misses what looks like a Ford Edge, and then just slams into that sedan. There's going to be some injury there for sure. Too bad. Looks like this next one is over at maybe Telegraph and Green Springs. Let's see what we've got here. Left turner looks like. SUV waiting to turn, it's green. Just went. Why? I don't know. Drivers need to be more careful in this town. There you have it. There's our reaction video to October crashes brought to you by Collision Cam. Be careful out there, especially these intersections waiting to turn left. Don't assume people are going to wait for you. Make sure the intersection's clear before you turn. Know what your light's doing and know what cross traffic is doing. As you can see, some of those are pretty significant, a lot of injury. So hopefully we can be safer next month.